In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can enable keyboard's toolbar. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on this section called General Management. Now tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and then scroll down to click on this switcher here, right next to Keyboard Toolbar. When it's blue, go back and check out your keyboard. As you can see, my toolbar was successfully enabled. Quick tip, now you can simply use this gear icon to get access to the same section in your settings wherever you wish. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!